A top class some of the kitchen I look like home. I have a design my kitchen. Yes, based on the layout and everything. Yeah man, the kitchen I look like home my kitchen because
Top Class Bros channel, yeah. Welcome to the channel, Top Class Bros. You was Top Class Bros teaching you them fi uplift themselves. Me I tell you live a better life. Welcome to the channel. Always like, comment, subscribe. You was don't forget Top Class Bros. Subscribe.
what's up, top class family? No, it's Daddy again there from the Top Class Bros. Today we're the active home center. Yeah, we just come to sort out a little thing. Yes, but what we really want to do is want to do some eye shopping because, as I know, we need some things to put in the dream house, like the kitchen sink, some more tiles, some more, you know what I mean, some more local stuff. I carry someone to Kingston, so just decide to me I come do a little eye shopping, so you know me can have an idea when we're ready to buy the stuff them. Yes, someone I'm gonna check the prices, look on the good up things then we put in at the dream house, because as you know, the dream house have a bossy, you understand? And the kitchen, as I say, me need to look on some local thing, get the prices. And me also gonna show you some prices too, alright? And check out some tiles and I'll show you what I want. So if you're new to the channel, please remember subscribe, share the videos and stay tuned on the journey, alright? And as I always say, we'll show some prices, so you know if maybe they don't want, if you see anything where you like, you know you can come in and get what you want also, alright? Yeah man, so stay tuned on the journey, Top Class family. Enough love. Yeah man, big up on yourself. I'm going now, see them? The outside. Alright, stay tuned. So alright, 24. Top Class family. I want some olive tile at the place here, but it looks something nice to put on the kitchen counter. Yeah, so tell me what you think about a style like this. Yeah, so style like that more have to put on the countertop in a Top Class family. Yeah. Just cut them. So you know you're not gonna see no whole heap of giant like when you put on the little tiles them. Yeah, that more. So as I say, I check the prices and then I'm ready I can come back. Alright? Yeah, but why countertop of the boss, you know. So we want to go down to the kitchen, sink them and check the prices also. I like the pipes. Yeah. So you have some next big pretty one here, see me. 47¼ by 47¼ see. Yeah, man, we're ready for the bathroom. I have to get some of them nice mosaic here. Yeah, some nice colors. I'm a whole heap of nice color in the top class family, but I'm ready for the bathroom. I know I have to choose some nice pretty colors. Wow, a top class family. My kitchen I look like how I have a design my kitchen. Yes, based on the layout and everything. Yeah man, the kitchen I look like how I want my kitchen because you notice the double sink. Yeah man, this is not come like my window there right here. Yes, so you know something like this it look like. And remember the space leave out to install my stove. Yeah, so I see I want some cupboard, some grey one, and based on the countertop, something like this may I try to get to install, put on it, alright? Yeah, so this look nice and it's kinda give me a vibe like the vibe I want in my kitchen, you understand? Come on, microwave, install, whole heap of cupboards, same color cupboards. Because my kitchen have a white and grey look. So this basically look like a my kitchen. So show you how it look. Oh, it's something like that. You know, when I come across, I want to show you prices, alright? So, 149,000. Wow, it look like you can't take it out. 3 months. Yeah, so, cash price this, I want to take it out. I mean, a stove here. 239,000 cash price. Oh, stove have a fan inside. Microwave. This one? Imagine all them big fridge in our dream house. Backside, fruits and vegetables for days. Alright, so we got the next kitchen. That a go on, pan, what a go on. All plates. Oh, this is a 12,000. Sink are nice. You know, I like the double sink them because when I wash one side, I rinse one side. You know what I mean? Alright, I'll go to the next kitchen. Alright, boy, so far this one kitchen look like my kitchen at home want it look, you know, so the kitchen them I work with, the vibe them want, you know. So you have some countertop stove here. I price, yeah, 79,900 electric. So look, okay. Same price. Alright, so I'm gonna look on the prices then no bad. Oh, no, I see. Water. Kitchen sink, 54,900. Come on, to double sink in a what? I wanna look. That one I'm a bargain for. I think of that my bargain for. Piece. I have to work with that. Oh dear. Look for some pipes, because we need some nice facets. Need some nice facets. 27,000 what is it? Okay. Alright, top class family, so we leave active, so the tools are now, so see what tools up here for now. Alright, tools look like have some nice prices here around. So nice porcelain down there. $9.99 by 99 plus tax. It's our size. 80 centimeter. You also gonna tune out the centimeter then. But this look like around 30 by 30 still. Yeah, because then I set it like how then I set it by the inches, then I set it by the centimeter, alright? Yeah, so you look on some tiles would look nice. Put on the countertop. This no look bad. It's the size here. Alright, porcelain. Edge them thick. Yeah. Look nice. And because what we have to do, if you have something we match back with the tile on the floor, you understand? Because I know the thing of a uniform and neat. You know, we have to join them well close because I don't really like the seam. So this look like around, it's all nice. And the price look nice also. 58 by 118 centimeter. So the width of the counter look like something like this. So you know the length. Couple of this can finish off it up in the top class. So you want to take. Bathroom settings are kind of look nice, you know. Price $499.99, so 500 plus tax. Oh man, some of them here with them pretty thing here. Bathroom would have a nice vibe because as you know the house are mostly white, cream, grey, something like that. So a nice vibe. You know, if you want a gold style, or that style I look like too much Chinese style. Granite. So this a piece of granite. It have the edge already. 41. It's a 42,000. So you know, if you buy it right here at Tools, you have to go Spanish Town Road. 130 Spanish Town Road and pick it up. Yeah. Price no bad, top class family. 42,000 plus tax with a nice piece of kitchen granite.